Hello everyone. So today I'll be providing you with a use case of our agent memory feature. So basically this use case is creating a customer support agent utilizing the memory feature. So what this agent does is that it answers customer queries while building a knowledge base of all the questions as well as answers as given to customers. So it also logs common questions, question phrasing patterns, and then provides more consistent answers based on what it has answered customers previously. So after a few to and fro like questions as well as answers, it recognizes similar questions instantly by actually looking at its database, which is very convenient. Then on top of that, this agent also has a log which keeps track of every questions asked, which actually this can help to create support documentation automatically for any system. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started on the demonstration. So as you can see, this is the customer support bot. So on the left side, this is the system prompt. So basically this customer support bot will have 3 files written to the memory. So the first file is this customer support memory instructions, which is the instructions for the bot to follow to execute its task. So this one, I'll be providing it to you, but basically you have to upload it first to the drive, and then for the files 2 and 3, these will be created as well as updated by the agent automatically. So very easy. So I'll just demonstrate on how to use this agent and how it works. So let's create a new chat. I'll ask this support question a simple question. So basically this is about AgenticFlow, our platform. So I'll just ask it, how do I log in? Very simple question. So as you can see, it will basically view the database, see if it exists. So since it does not exist, it will create the database as well as the question patterns. And then it will give me the steps to log in to AgenticFlow. So let's go to Drive and view the files it has created. So these are the files it has created. So as you can see, let's go into the database. So it has logged my questions, so how do I log in, as well as logged its answers, as well as troubleshooting and all that. Yeah, and then for question patterns, basically this is a log of anything related to the question I have asked. So as I asked about login, so it has logged these related questions for it to better reference. So I'll go back to the agent and I'll show you how it can update these files by asking it another question. So this customer support, I'll create a new chat. I'll ask it, create a new chat, ask it, what models do you support on the platform? So as you can see, it views the database again, see if there's this information, views question patterns, and it doesn't have it. So it updates, it gives me the answer of what models are supported, and then it updates the customer support database as well as the question patterns. So once again, let's go back to the drive and show you what it has updated. So in the database, as you can see, that now there's a new question. So about the model support, it's right here. And then on the question patterns, it has also updated basically its database on whatever is related to the next question I've asked, which is about the models. Yep. So that's all for this demo.
For this one, you can have the agent JSON file. You can just download and create that to the agent. So it's very simple like this. So you go into AgenticFlow, you go into agent, you click new agent, you click create from file, and then you just dragging the file that I just create for you here, and then you just import that. And then the agent is going to be created with everything you need to have on this one. And yeah, you can just new chat and starting to use that. And for other file, then you just go into here, into Drive, and then you click upload a file, and then you just uploading the customer instruction. For example, like this one is linking post memory instruction that I just shared you. You click upload. Yeah, it's uploaded successfully. And if you refresh this page, you will see that. Okay, it's going to be like this one, linking post memory instruction, and you can even like click on this one in order to view what is inside. So basically, that is how we using our memory system in order to create agent that's useful, and also using the past behavior in order to driving the improvement of the agent itself.